Dahil nga magluluto tayo ng munggo, we need malunggay. Mangunguha tayo ng malunggay. So init. Meron tayong malunggay dito sa ating kapitbahay.
It just looks like trees, but
It is a tree,
it is a tree.
but you know the leaves is so very healthy.
It's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
I can't reach it anymore.
No. Wait. Fine, I will go. Joke lang, I'm not going to go. But just stay with you.
And tadan! Ayan, tara at maghimay. At luto na nga ang ating munggo. Tara kain tayo. Yun lang, bye-bye!